How to change Amazon shopping country. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change the country on the Amazon shopping app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically the countries that you see on your Amazon shopping application and the products that you see are based on the region that you have chose for your Amazon shopping app. And if you'd like to change the country from where these products are recommended, it is very simple to do so. After you open the Amazon shopping app, just tap the three horizontal lines icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines icon there, here you'll find this flag icon that says settings. Currently it is set to United States because you can see a United States flag, so you want to make sure to just tap on this option once. Once you tap on it, here you'll find many other options as well, where you simply need to go to this option called country and language. Now currently you can see it is set to United States, so if I would like to change it, I just need to tap on it once, and I just have to go ahead and make sure to enter another country. So let's say I want India. In this case I'll just select India, I'll tap on done. Next time all of the products that I see from my Amazon shopping application will be from India, and this way you can change Amazon shopping country. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.